Hello, I welcome you to this video. This video is a step-by-step on how to see Wi-Fi password. Now when your phone is on, just as my own is now, simply slide it, or you go to your menu bar, then search for settings. Keep on looking for settings. Now when you see phone settings app, now you click on it. Click the phone settings. Allow it to open. When it opens like this, you can see phone, you can see network and internet, connected devices, apps and notifications, app updates, battery, display and many others. Now click network and internet. When you click network and internet, it will bring you all these things. Now go straight to hotspots and tethering. Click hotspot. Now to see the Wi-Fi password, click Wi-Fi hotspot. Click here. You can see my Wi-Fi is on now. Now you are seeing hotspot name, security, hotspot password, turn off hotspot automatically, AP band. Now to see the password, first of all, go to the phone name. Click this QR code you are seeing by the top right hand of your screen. Click here. It will ask you to show your password, or your phone password, or use your fingerprint. I'll use my fingerprint in the place of password. Now it has opened. You are seeing the QR code. Now to search my phone Wi-Fi now and connect it, you have to use your phone to scan this QR code you are seeing here. You can see on my screen here, scan QR code to connect to Hotline, to Infinix Hotline Play. Now that is the way you will do it. In case you want to connect to another person, you click this place at the downside, but I'm just trying to show you the password now. So this QR code you are seeing in front of my screen now is what you will scan in order to connect to my Wi-Fi. Now showing you the password, let us go back now to see the password if you don't want to use QR code. Now click this hotspot password. You're seeing the password here. There is the password. That is the same way it will be on your own phone when you're doing it. So it is very simple that anyone can do. It is very honest and it is not that difficult. So that is the simplest way of seeing or viewing or showing your Wi-Fi password. Now if this video has helped you, kindly like this video so that it will get to more people. Share it to your friends also, so that other people who are looking for this also will get their solution. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let me hear the comment section what you think about this video. Once again, thank you for watching and God bless you.